Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the TDP of your central processor unit on a DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. The easiest way to do so is by right-clicking the taskbar, go into Task Manager. From here you have to go to the Performance section on the left bar of your Task Manager application. Go to your CPU and check its name right here. Then let's open the web browser and let's open any search engine in it. Input the name of your CPU, Intel Core i7-10610U, and then just search for TDP, and you'll find the official Intel website. If you enter it, you'll find your TDP, the TDP of your processor right here. Alternatively, you can also download the CPU Z application, which is, if you want to know for sure, you'll find the official CPU ID website. Just open it. Then on this page we're gonna have to find the setup file for 32 and 64-bit version. Click on it to open, close the ad. Okay, click download now, and now let's run this setup file by clicking on it. Click yes, then accept the agreement and read it before you do so. To continue, and click next. Then you can change the installation folder if you want to by clicking browse and selecting a different one, but I'm gonna go with the default one. Just click next. And then you can also create the program shortcuts in the start menu, and you can change the directory by clicking browse and selecting a different one, or just click next to confirm. If you want a desktop icon, I'll leave this checkbox checked. I'm gonna uncheck it since I don't need it. And click install and wait until the program is installed on your computer. Once you're ready, click finish. And I'm not sure if the program will run from the start, but if it doesn't run, you can find it in the start menu, all applications list. Let's find the CPU ID folder, CPU Z. Click yes to open this program. Wait for it to launch, and we'll be able to find the max TDP here. And yeah, it's the same as the one that we've seen on the Intel page, so 15 watts. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.